this. That's it. Much better. So another box. Maybe I know what is this. Internet. Sorry, I forgot stop internet. Forgot. Come on. Be a better life. Finally. So let's open it. See what we got. Oh yeah, newspapers, a lot. Come on, boy. And here we go. Here we go. Bush MB60 Vacum Tube radio. Yep. It's really heavy. It's really heavy. Let's see. Yeah. So let's have a look. Is the tube in there? Kind of full. And any broken turntable. So just a second. Wow, look at that. So now see. Yes, tube in there. Look at that, the selenium electrify. Wow. How is cool. It's almost same like this version. This is second version after this from 1961-63. Same, but it's no plug for main. So let's have a look. Let's have a look. The tubes first. So what tubes we have? 7 pin 1.5 volts here. DAF 96. This is mixer. This is preamp. DF 96. Just a second. The same DF 96. careful, it's tuning capacitor. This is output tube. This is DL96. This is output tube. Let's see closer. Do you see that? Origin Mallard, of course. DL96. And here is last time. So DFK. DK96, of course, Origin Mallard. Oh, got a from wax capacitor from there. That will be definitely the gun. So what we got here? So definitely this will be main transformer, of course. Here is audio output transformer. We got here. Here is some board. Yeah, this is switching board for main or battery. Let's see, this is switch from battery, main, battery. Please stay in. Really nice. I love it. Yes. Here is selenium electrify, like double diodes. And here is main transformer. Let's see. It's good. It's really solid. Let's see. Yeah, that's cool. Come on. All same version. Look at that. This is TR82 transistor. This is MB6 vacuum bulbs. Look at that. Absolutely nothing different. Yeah, but different is here. I'm going to work, so need faster. Come on, boy. Oh boy. I feel like Shango 066, come on. Be careful, don't scratch turntable cover top. Need to do. I don't scratch, it's okay, I'm careful, but I make this one. Yep, we don't need broken to customer turntable. And here is different. Look at this. So here is different. See, do you see the transistor? 1, 2, 3, 4. This cabinet is same, but do you see? This is from 1963. Yep, it's origin UK, made in Great Britain. Yeah. So that's his differences between two. Of course, both is powered with battery. This looks like, oh, it's okay. There is output transistors. Let's have a look properly. You see that? Right. So yeah, that's always, and see you next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.